A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development in the UK political landscape, Simon Case, the country's most senior civil servant, has announced his resignation on health grounds. Confirming his departure in a heartfelt message to staff, Case stated, "Whilst the spirit remains willing, the body is not." This announcement comes after a tumultuous 4-year tenure marked by controversies, including his involvement in the investigation of lockdown parties during the COVID-19 pandemic and ongoing tensions with key political figures. As the cabinet secretary, Case's role has been pivotal, overseeing the civil service and advising multiple prime ministers. His resignation, effective at the end of the year, raises questions about the future of the civil service and the political dynamics within the current government. Case's health issues have been a concern for some time, with reports indicating he has been undergoing medical treatment for a neurological condition over the past 18 months. This health struggle has now led him to step down, emphasizing that his decision is purely based on his health and not influenced by political pressures or controversies surrounding his leadership. Appointed by former Prime Minister Boris Johnson during the height of the pandemic, Case's tenure has been characterized by both praise for his intellect and competence, as well as criticism for perceived biases and political maneuvering. His critics have argued that he acted more as a political ally than an impartial civil servant, a claim that has been exacerbated by his removal from the investigation into alleged rule-breaking parties at Downing Street. Case's relationship with Sue Gray, now the Chief of Staff to Prime Minister Keir Starmer, has also been a focal point of tension, with reports of animosity between the two officials. In his farewell message, Case acknowledged the challenges faced during his time in office, but maintained that there were far more ups than downs. He expressed gratitude for the opportunity to serve and work alongside remarkable public servants across the UK and internationally. The government has already begun the process of finding a successor, with a job advertisement for the £200,000 a year role posted shortly after Case's announcement. Shadow Chief Secretary to the Treasury Laura Trott praised Case's contributions, stating that anyone stepping into the role should be respected given its importance. Meanwhile, the resignation has sparked discussions about the future of the civil service and the need for a leader who can restore trust and stability within Whitehall. Union leaders have also weighed in, with some expressing concerns about the state of the civil service under the previous government and the need for a fresh start. As the political landscape continues to evolve, Case's departure marks a pivotal moment for the UK government, with implications for both the civil service and the broader political environment. The process for appointing Case's successor will be conducted openly and transparently, as confirmed by the government. This transition comes at a time of heightened scrutiny and challenges within the UK political system, making the selection of a new cabinet secretary all the more critical. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.